So what is pseudo force? What is pseudo force and why it is necessary? Okay, see here. In order to make Newton's laws of motion valid in non-inertial frame, there is necessity of introducing pseudo force. Okay, why is pseudo force is necessary? Because Newton law initially it was found invalid for non-inertial frame. So after introducing pseudo force only, we can use Newton laws for non-inertial frame like this frame, because here this let us say this is lift elevator, it is accelerating in downward direction with 2 meter per second square. So this is non-inertial frame. In non-inertial frame, if we apply Newton law, it is invalid, but after introduction of pseudo force, Newton laws become valid even for non-inertial frame. This illustration, I will explain this illustration. See here. Okay, you can see this illustration diagram, you can see in right side. This is your illustration here. Now if you see here, see, for a person who is standing here, let us say he is here, he is in inertial frame. For this observer, if you see, for this observer, let us say this is observer A. For this observer A, let us say this block, it is hanged with the help of massless string. Then there will be tension here, you know, T, tension, electromagnetic force, tension. Now downside, let's see 2 into acceleration due to gravity, 2g. So 2g, you can write 2g, that is equal to 20 meter per second square. If you put g equal to 10 meter per second square. Now see here, for this A, if you see, for A, for observer A who is in inertial frame, observer A is in inertial frame, he is in inertial frame, observer A is in inertial frame. For him, how you will make the force equation? See here, how you will use Newton's second law. Now since this block is going down, this block is going down with acceleration 2 meter per second square, so he will make equation, his equation, that force equation will be 2g, that is 20 minus t. Tension is in upward direction, you can clearly see here, tension is in upward direction. This 20 meter, sorry, this is not meter per second square here. Okay, this is 20 Newton, 2 into 10, this is 20 Newton. This one is your 20 Newton, because 10 is the acceleration due to gravity. So this is force. Okay, 20 Newton, it is acting downward. Now see here, if you see here, 20 Newton downward, T upward, but net this body is going downward, so 20 is greater than T here. So 20 minus T is equal to mass into acceleration, that is 2 into acceleration is 2. So from here you will get T is equal to how much? 20 minus 4, that is equal to 16 Newton. So tension on this string is how much? 16 Newton, and in inertial frame we know Newton law is valid. Now if you see, this is your tension, but if you put same thing in non-inertial frame, means person who is standing on this elevator and observing this phenomena, if you see this, what you will feel? See, with respect to this person, with respect to this person B, you can say person B, this is person B, he is in non-inertial frame, accelerated frame, or you can say non-inertial frame, he is in non-inertial frame. For him, if you see, this 2 kg block, since he is also moving with 2 meter per second square in downward direction, 2 kg also moving with 2 meter per second square in downward direction. So with respect to him, this block is at rest, means it is non-accelerated. Okay, acceleration is 0 with respect to him. With respect to him, it is not moving, because they are in same frame. Like you can imagine, your friend and you are sitting in same seat of a bus. Then what you will feel? If you are sitting and your friend is beside you, then what you will feel? You both of you are rest with respect to each other. Okay, but with respect to ground, you will feel you are moving. That ground person will feel that bus is moving, but your friend each other who is inside the bus, they will feel that you two people are rest with respect to each other. Similar to that, see, this person will see this 2 kg block as rest. So whatever equation you will make, see here, for B, if you see, for B, if I do for B, I'll write here for B who is in non-inertial frame, that is accelerated frame. For B, what you will do? For B, what you will write? 2g, that is downward, T is upward. So 2g means 20 Newton minus T is equal to mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration. Acceleration is 0 because with respect to this person, this block is at rest. So T value, what he will get? 20 Newton. See here. You can see here these two different values, this T and this T. Since 60 Newton is correct, 20 Newton it is wrong. So this, how to correct it? How we can correct? This is wrong. Now we can correct it by introduction of pseudo force. You can correct this. How? See, this acceleration is 2 meter per second square downward. Acceleration is 2 meter per second square in downward direction. Now pseudo force will act on this block in upward direction. That pseudo force is equal to mass of this block times acceleration of this frame. So pseudo force will be in this direction. Pseudo force, if I write Fp, pseudo force, it will be in that direction, and pseudo force is given by, I'll write here, Fp is equal to mass into acceleration, that is mass into acceleration, that is 2 is the mass and 2 is the acceleration due to gravity, so 4. Okay, Fp equal to mass into mass of this block into acceleration. Now if I use pseudo force, now this we will get again 16 Newton, then Newton law will be valid. I'll do it here. See, now for B, after introduction of pseudo force, after introduction of pseudo force, if I write with Fp, after introducing Fp, what will happen? For B only we will write, for B, after introduction of pseudo force, it will be what B will do. Now see, Fp is also upward, tension is also upward, and this weight is in downward direction. So that force equation, or you can say Newton's second law equation, it will be, again this body is seeing, this person is seeing this block is rest, but now the equation becomes, after introduction of pseudo force, equation becomes 20 Newton minus tension minus pseudo force is equal to 0. Body is at rest, acceleration is 0, tension and this pseudo force is in upward direction, 20 is in downward direction, so it becomes like this. So 20 minus T minus Fp, pseudo force is 4 equal to 0. So this implies that T is equal to 20 minus 4 Newton. 20 minus 4 Newton, this implies T is equal to 16 Newton. So in both the cases, after introduction of pseudo force, both inertial as well as for A as well as non-inertial, that is for B, both we get result is same, that is T is equal to 16 Newton. So this is why pseudo force was introduced in order to make Newton law valid for all these situations. Okay.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe PK Dye Physics for more videos.